How to view saved passwords on Brave browser. Hey there Brave browser users! Need to access a saved password but can't remember it? Let's walk through how to view your saved passwords quickly. Let's get started. Launch Brave browser on your computer, then click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the browser windows to open the main menu, then select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Settings menu, navigate to the Privacy and Security section. This is where you'll find options related to your browsing privacy and security settings. Within the Privacy and Security section, click on Passwords to access your saved passwords. Here you'll see a list of all your saved passwords. Each entry will display the website or application name, username, and a masked password. To view a saved password, click on the eye icon next to the password field. You may need to authenticate using your computer's password or another method. For added security, Brave browser may prompt you to confirm your identity before revealing the saved passwords, so follow the prompts to proceed. And there you have it. You successfully viewed your saved passwords on Brave browser. Remember to keep your passwords secure and avoid sharing them with anyone. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.